Ulit.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, happy birthday, Edwin. You're 59 years old na. Okay, next year meron na senior.
Senior.
Senior card.
I-apply daw ni Kuya
Senior
Jesse ng senior
card. Okay.
para may discount.
Happy birthday, Edwin. Samahan mo si nanay dito sa Soler. Makakuha ng jackpot para mag-enjoy. Ha? Okay, thank you. Dito tayo sa ngayon, August 4, 2020, pero maulan. Pag maulan daw, bumabahan ng biyaya. Nay, ha? Babahan ng biyaya.
Yung
Fortune leaves. Kuha ng fortune leaves na.
Ate Belen, malaki mo na to.
Oh.
Para, sandali.
Papagod na kay Ate Belen.
Ate Belen.
Bilang picture mo kaya kami? Parang ka ba? Ha? Sige, paano ba? Ito puti. Ito.
Huwag mo na iuwi.
Okay, hi, good Jesse.
Hello Edwin! Happy birthday!
Message na. Message nyo rin na kay Edwin. Ay, payungin si nanay.
Good health!
Good health.
Good health.
You are good in good hands.
Good hands. Okay, ito test message kay Edwin.
After.
Happy birthday, Edwin. Rest in peace in God's kingdom.
Okay, okay Jesse, message mo ulit mo.
Edwin, happy birthday! I hope nag-enjoy ka kung nasa ka man, ha?
Okay. Sige, Bernice.
Tito Edwin, happy birthday. I have mass said for your soul every day.
Okay, yeah, message.
Happy birthday, Kuya Edwin. Long life.
Long life.
Yun, sana masaya ka dyan kung nasaan ka man.
That's good. Okay. Happy birthday, Edwin. Ting pupunta kami sa umaasa si nanay na makukuha yung jackpot kaya kukuha kami ng mga fortune leaves dito. Hoy! Maingay! Sasalita pa! Kukuha si nanay ng fortune leaves para makukuha yung jackpot. Tulungan mo si nanay, ha? Okay, happy birthday and I hope na soon makakaw tayong justice. Amen!